PMT is a powerful function that helps you figure out a steady payment amount if you note the interest, number of payments, and amount borrowed. But before you start plugging in numbers, you need to make some adjustments. To really understand, we need to know how compound interest works. If you know some basic math, you might think interest rate, how hard is that? Just $10,000 plus 6%, which is $10,600. That is wrong, and that is how people get into trouble financially. Financial institutions use compound interest, so typically they break the APR into 12 parts because there are 12 months in a year, and each part is applied each month. So in this scenario, 6% divided by 12 is 0.5%. That is applied here, so you owe them $50 more before even paying the first payment. Let's say you don't make your payments. In the second month, this $10,050 is applied another 0.5%, so there's another $50 and an additional 25 cents. Let's say you don't make any payments for 10 years, and for some reason your car's not repossessed. You now owe the bank 80% more than the car's original value. But wait, 6% for 10 years, shouldn't I owe 60% more? Well, that's the magic, or horror, of compound interest. By breaking 6% up into 12 parts and applying each part monthly, the loan can really get out of control.
I declare bankruptcy!
Luckily, if we pay off the loan rather quickly, we won't have to pay so much interest. You can figure out how much you should pay for each payment using the PMT function. To use PMT, you need three things: interest, how many payments, and amount borrowed. We know APR is 6%, but it's applied monthly, so it's broken up into 12 parts, therefore 6% divided by 12. How many payments? We know the loan is for 2 years, and if you make a payment every month, then it's 24 payments. Finally, amount borrowed is just $10,000. Now, let's plug it in. Equal PMT, open parentheses, rate is 6% divided by 12. Since we already have 6% here, let's reference it. You should always reference as much as you can. In case you get a better rate, you can just change 6% here into something else and everything under it updates. The next part, NPER, means number of payments. Again, reference the 2 years and times 12. The next part, PV, or present value, is the loan amount. Let's just reference this 10,000. 443.21. Notice that it is expressed as a negative. Think of it as money going out of your pocket. On the other hand, when you take out a loan, even though the money's not technically yours, it's going into your pocket. I'm just going to reference this here and lock the cell down. Here, notice that the payment is deducted from the principal for next month. Interest is applied, then payment deducted. Same thing here. Interest is applied, payment deducted. Now you can see it's the same payment every month. On the 24th month, you actually finish paying off the loan. To recap, to use PMT, you need these three things, but you need to really understand how to get these numbers. If the interest rate is only applied 4 times a year, then you would divide by 4. If the loan is 5 years, but you have to pay 4 times a year, then the payment is 20. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks for watching.